What's happening, guys? Welcome back to a brand new video, and in this tutorial I have something really cool for you because today it is Tuesday, so that means a brand new how-to video for you guys. And in this video I have 5 YouTube hacks that can really stimulate the growth of your channel and to actually blow up on YouTube. So make sure to just keep watching, and I'll catch you guys obviously right after the intro. Okay, so in this video, like I've said, I have 5 YouTube hacks you guys can use in order to grow your channel. Now, if you guys are stopping here in for the first time, make sure to consider subscribing because we have many different videos every single week, from how-tos to Vegas Pro 15 tutorials to anything like that, so make sure to consider subscribing. And guys, I have listened to your guys' feedback because you guys have said, like, Alex, why is the audio so bad in your videos? Well, that was basically because I was using the microphone of my Canon G7X, but as you guys can hear the difference, I have my studio microphone right here, right in front of my face, so I can talk into it and have better audio. So I'm gonna show you guys a little, sound comparison between this, which is the camera microphone, switching back to this, which is a studio mic, so I improved the quality. Okay guys, so without further ado, with that all out of the way, let's go into our computer and I'm going to show you guys 5 tips that you can use, 5 YouTube hacks in order to grow your channel. So I would say, let's go to the computer. Okay guys, so as you can see right now, we are on youtube.com/features. There are a few things that you want to use in order to actually grow your channel, which is mainly custom thumbnails. So as you can see right now, we have uploading, monetization, live streaming, embed live streams, longer videos, unlisted and private videos, custom thumbnails, external annotations, super chat, custom URL, content ID appeals, and sponsorships. Right here it says custom thumbnails, here it says enabled. So basically how you enable custom thumbnail is you want to go to youtube.com/features, and how it used to be was you need to first enable monetization in order to use custom thumbnails, but it changed and you only just need to go ahead and click on like enable custom thumbnails. Using custom thumbnails is actually pretty crucial in order to go ahead and attract people to your videos and obviously, make people click on your videos and make them more entertaining. So that's the first step. Enable custom thumbnails because you will be able to, create them yourselves and they will make your videos a lot more attractive. So the next thing that we're gonna do is go to upload defaults. Now as you can see right now, this is basically what I have. So we're gonna start off with the privacy. Obviously you can choose, if you upload a video, you can just go ahead and click on public, unlisted or private. I just have this on public. Category, you can just use entertainment, education, comedy, autos and vehicles, how to and style, music, news and politics, non-profits and activism, people and blogs, pets and animals, science and technology, sports, and travel and events. What I just do is entertainment, or if I'm uploading a tutorial, I'm putting it to how to and style. Okay, so the next thing is license. Now you want to just go ahead and put this one to standard YouTube license. That's pretty obvious. And then right here you can just type in the title of your video. I just leave that empty so I can type in whatever I want. And then right here it is the description. It is very important that you have to describe what's happening in the video within the 3 first lines of the description. I have 3 lines at the top of the description, and it says, welcome back everyone, today, and then it says title. That means that, whatever I'm doing in that video, I'm filling that in right there. So let's say I'm doing a LUT tutorial on Vegas Pro. What I would do is I would just type in, today I'm going to show you how to use LUT in Vegas Pro 15. If you enjoyed this video, feel free to subscribe. Make sure to smash that like button below as well. Stick around for more content. So that's what I do, and it doesn't really matter what kind of video it is. You also want to just fill in the topic and what's happening in the video in the description. Now what you can also do is you can make people, stay on your channel and make them watch more videos. So right here I have check out more videos, my latest video. That's just, the video of yesterday I would fill in. And then right here it says today's mystery video. That just basically means you can just just fill in a random video as well. Now, as you can see, we also have subscribe for more. That means that you can also make people click on this link and they will subscribe instantly. Very, very nice. Right here it says follow me, and obviously you will list your social media down in the description. It says facebook.com/JustAlexHalford, twitter.com/AlexHalford, instagram.com/AlexHalford, and twitch.tv/JustAlexHalford. Pretty obvious. Okay, right here we have playlists that people can also check out. So that's really important. What you can do is just go ahead and fill in everything that you see. And I'm not saying that you should copy the exact same description, but just give your own twist on it. So right here we have Vegas Pro tutorials, then we have a link, After Effects, OBS tutorials, Alex Thoughts, YouTube tips and tricks, Adobe Premiere Pro CC, Adobe Audition CS6 tutorials, and Audacity tutorials. Obviously, I have way more playlists. No way I'm gonna just fill in like all my playlists. It's gonna be a huge list and nobody's gonna click on it. So right here, as well as you can see, we have the intro song that I will play for you right now. So if I'm gonna talk just for a few seconds, I can just go ahead and insert this intro that I have. So it's Ice Cold by Close, and that is basically my intro. So as you guys saw, that song is called Ice Cold Close by NCS. Obviously, you know, with the link in the description, that is very obvious. Right here it says outro song nog zoeken. That means Dutch for I have to still find the outro song because I haven't found the specific name for it. Okay, then we have tags right here. This is the most important part of your entire uploading process, because if you're not filling in any tags, your videos will not be found in the search results. So what you want to fill in right here, it says just Alex Halford, that's pretty obvious. And for example, if you want to upload a Vegas tutorial, what we can do is we can just type in Sony Vegas, for example, color correction. You want to copy that and you want to paste that in anytime you are uploading a video. So a very handy tip is just type in your video topic in the search bar and fill in everything that pops up. Okay, so right here, this is only for YouTube partners, like overlay video ads, skippable video ads, non-skippable video ads, long non-skippable video ads, sponsored cards, display ads shown by default, automatic mid-roll ads. The video language is obviously English. The community contribution means that people can actually translate my video, title, description, everything for me, and I can just review them and approve them or disapprove them. Caption certification. This is only like if you're like a news channel and you are just basically re-uploading your television programs onto YouTube, but that's only like for like BBC News and anything like that. Suggest video improvements. That means like never show edit suggestions. You can also just go ahead and click on show edit suggestions. For example, if your video is shaky, they will actually go ahead and suggest to fix the video. The video location, you can choose wherever that is, and the video statistics, like for example how much you make from that video, how many subscribers you gain from that video, is basically you can just go ahead and click on make video statistics, but I'm not just gonna do that just for privacy reasons. Okay, moving on to the next step, which is going to be the branding. I'm just gonna go ahead and click on it, and you just want to basically load in your logo or a subscribe button or anything like that, because that is basically what people will see in the corner, and they're more likely to subscribe if you fill in the subscribe button. I just have my GAH yellow logo in there, very cool, and you can just go ahead and load in your logo yourself. Now we're gonna go to advanced, and this is basically what you want to do. You want to pick your country, which is obviously Belgium, your name and your profile picture, your channel keywords. I just have YouTuber, OBS, software, Adobe Audition, Photoshop, editing, Halford, deep web, as you can see like that, because everything is related to my channel. You can also allow my channel to appear in other channels' recommendations. I would definitely make sure that that one is checked, and display the number of people subscribed to my channel. If you're not gonna do that, people won't see how many subscribers you have, and obviously your Google Analytics property tracking ID, which I will be blurring. So with that out of the way, this is basically how you can boost your channel, guys, and 5 amazing tips and tricks. And obviously I showed you guys in previous videos like how to properly upload a video. If you want to see those videos, make sure to check out the playlist in the description, and that's gonna be it. So that's it, guys. That is how you get 5 YouTube hacks to implement into your own channel. So make sure to stay tuned for more videos, and if you guys were here for the first time, make sure to consider subscribing, because we have many different videos every single week coming up on the channel. So that's it, guys. Also make sure to follow me on Twitter and Instagram. It's both at AlexHalford in order to don't miss out on any sneak peeks and cute kitten videos that we got a few days ago. So guys, that's it, and I will see you guys obviously in tomorrow's video.